Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. It's been nearly 2 months that I haven't posted any recipe or video in our channel. Few of you know that we also have other YouTube channels. Total in 3 we have YouTube channels. Amongst them, one is our family channel, that is Vizag Telugu Family, and the other one is Cookie's Kitchen, that is I post every video in Telugu also, and this is our channel Cook with Cookie. I post in English. So with a few trips around the world, we have been a bit busy. So with a new quick start, I have come to show you choco lava cake, simply how to prepare at home itself. For any perfect recipe, we need perfect measurements. So I use this weighing machine for perfect recipes. So I have bought this weighing machine in Amazon. If you're interested, I'll provide you the link in the description. Please go and purchase. So normally choco lava cake, we enjoy in Domino's and other bakeries. But trust me, if you follow the video till the end, you can prepare this simple recipe and you can enjoy it with your family. So for any choco lava cake, we need a dark compound chocolate. Here I have taken 100 grams of dark compound chocolate. Dark compound chocolate also will be available in any supermarket, or I'll provide the link in the description. Please go and purchase. And 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of butter. Dark compound chocolate, butter and sugar should be in equal portions. That is, here I have taken 100 grams. Now coming on to eggs, here I have taken 4 eggs, out of which 2 are full. I have taken full eggs, and the remaining 2 I have only taken egg yolks. Put aside the egg whites. Okay, so now separate this as I've shown here. This will be a little bit easier for you instead of putting your hands and separating that. So this process will be very much easier. Now take a blender and add sugar and eggs into the blender and blend it into a frothy mixture. Now on the other hand, we need to double boil our chocolate and butter mixture. So double boil method you all know. Put a bowl of water on a stove or any induction stove or something, and then boil it nicely and put butter and chocolate in a bowl, and then place it on top of it and allow it to blend it or melt it nicely. So once it's melted, add both the mixtures, that is egg mixture and the chocolate mixture, and then just only 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Just 2 tablespoons, that's it. So for perfect choco lava cake or silky choco lava cake, you need to add only just 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Add a pinch of baking soda and baking powder and 2 drops of vanilla essence. It's of your choice. And that's it. Now take a bowl in which you're going to add the entire cake or prepare the cake. So normally for choco lava cake, we take small cake molds. Here for the entire family, I have taken a large one. If you have small silicone molds or any cupcake molds, you can add in that also. Now preheat the oven for 10 minutes and then bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes, and that's it. Your choco lava cake is all ready. It's so flaky on the top and then so moisty on the inside. It's truly amazing and yummy in taste. Trust me, if you prepare this recipe, you will love to prepare it every day. It is that tempting and that's yummy. Now for those who doesn't have oven at home, you can preheat an pan for 10 minutes. Place a stand on top of it. After preheating the pan for 10 minutes, now place the cake bowl or cake mix bowl batter on top of it and close the lid without any steam passing out. So close it with a tissue or a little piece of cloth and just bake it for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame. Just on medium flame, and that's it. Your choco lava cake is also ready without oven. So this recipe is very yummy and it's mouth watering. You will like to have it every day and your kids truly love it. Now for kids, if you serve it, you can add the sprinklers as I have shown here and you can serve it and enjoy. I hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.